Hey guys, Donnie Breed here. Just want to do a real quick video today, nothing in detail yet, but there's a new project that's coming out December 15th that we're going to be going into. We're going to be part of one of the #1 teams in this company, so there's going to be a lot of automatic spillover because this group's going to get very large very quickly. So just want to kind of introduce you to it, and I'll be giving you more details about it as I get more leeway to actually give out some information. But basically, it's d.ai.sy is the name of it. It's D, and then it's A.I.S.Y, and I'll explain those letters later when I go into the actual in detailed explanation. But really, just give you a heads up that it's coming out. There's a link below in the description for the Telegram group. You guys want to go in there, and that's where we'll be getting real live updates on what's going on and some different information and videos that I can't publicly show right now. But if you go in there, I could privately share it with you guys so you can check it out and be ready to go on the 15th. Okay, so I want you guys to be ready. This is going to be a pretty big one, I think. It's going to be really successful, and I want you to come along on the journey with me here. So if you haven't already, like and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell because I'm going to be posting new videos on this, and I don't want you to miss out. A lot of these projects, the earlier you're in on them, the better. And the way we're set up for this one, we should be in pretty early and should get a lot of benefit out of being so early into the project. It's a good team, a lot of technology behind it, and like I said, I'm going to go into that later, but I just wanted to put it on your guys' radar. Be ready, 15th. Join the Telegram group so you can get up-to-date information and news, and we'll be all ready to go and get on this thing right off the bat, and hopefully have a very successful 2021. Thanks guys, talk to you soon.